Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the DXY or US dollar analysis, plus the Bitcoin price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. By the way, before we even start, yes, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, my friend. Just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to also like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family. So let's start our lesson of today. As you see here, that the SP500 here, what it done till now here. So we couldn't break here, and it's showing here a stronger resistance here at that level here, exactly here. So what shall we do now? I showed it to you before, and it's staying the same. You came down here and you do it like that, and here in the top you can make it like that. You got here a small wage like that, and you wait it. What is going to get broke here or down here? What you need to do, you wait in, because last week we got major news. So you focus it about where is the break is going to happen. You see it how it dropped that wage or no? You came to that low, that one here and that one here, and you connected them by a line like that, and here in the top you came to that one here and that one here, and you connecting them that in the 4 hours I'm talking here, and you connecting them by a line like that. You got a very clear wage here. So you wait in the break what is going to happen. If it happen here down, you enter short. If it happen above here, you enter long. Everything is too clear. But that one, if it's breaking above here, it will not go that much. It will just go to here, to that level here, over here. Try to protect yourself. If it's breaking down, it's going to break for you even that last low here. Everything is too clear, guys. It's our indicator what it's saying here in the 4 hours. Our indicator, it's telling us we are here at the oversold area, and we got here the divergence I showed you in the last videos here and here. I show you even that one. Now also we be in here at the oversold area, so technically also we need to looking for buy. For you to enter buy, I just show you goes here that small wage here, that one here, and you wait in the break to happen up or down. So you here in the 4 hours, you waiting till it's getting broke, then you base you trading on the break what is going to happen. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the SP500 doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, staying the same thing. Nothing was changed. Here, I tell it to you before, we got here the same level here. It's staying here. For the same channel I just show you here. For the same wage I show you in the 4 hours, it's staying here. Also, we are here in the lower of it here. We couldn't break it. So there is no entry short, no entry long here in 30 minutes. And in 30 minutes, the same thing like the 4 hours. You came here and you draw it like that. You got that wage very clear wage here. You waiting the break to happen above here for you to enter long. If it's breaking down here, you enter short. And I'm going to show you something else here in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, you can make even a symmetric triangle. Look with me how I'm going to do it. You came like that, and you came to that peak, that one, and you do it like that. You see it or not? You came to that peak, that one, and you connected with that one, and you waiting. If it's getting broke here, you enter long. If it's getting broke down here, you enter short. Now, what shall you do? At this moment, nothing. You just waiting. Where is the break going to happen? If it's breaking above here, you enter long. If it's breaking down, you enter short, guys. Remember those things what I'm telling you. Everything is too clear. It's our indicator what it's doing here in 30 minutes. So let's see it. Our indicator as you see it. We are here at the oversold area. So technically also we need to look in for buy now. Shall you enter long now? At this moment, no. The entry long, unless if it came and breaking above here, that trend line me I just show you here, or the market to give you here another price action like I would give you before here, to give also here a small price action here. We base our trade on it. Till now there is nothing yet. We need to wait in more here in 30 minutes, and the market now is closed. It's going to open today. So today base you trading at those price action may I give you now. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the Nasdaq 100 what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Nasdaq 100. We are here in the 4 hours. Here, the Nasdaq 100 give us before here in the 4 hours that double bottom here. like that. It's breaking for us the neckline here. That's why me I told you it's going to go more higher. But now we got something new here. Look with me here. What you got here? You see it or no? You came to the top of that one, and you connecting them by a line like that. And down here you can come here to that one here, and you do it like that. You got a smaller wage here. So that one you waiting. If it's breaking above here, I'm talking for the people they haven't entered long from here. When it's breaking here, cause the break it happened here. When it's breaking that double bottom we used to have here. We used to have here a double bottom, very clear double bottom here. As you see it, it's getting broke here. So the first entry it was from here. Now for the people they haven't entered long from here. If it's breaking above here, you can enter long again. Everything is too clear. If it's breaking above here, you enter long. That's for the long. For the short, what shall we do? Did we got any price action here? Yes, you got. That one I just show you here. At last low here. That means if the Nasdaq 100 fall down and breaking down here, you can enter short. That's for the short. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator what it's saying here. Oh, let's go to see it. Our indicator is showing to us. Also, we are here at the overbought area. So technically now, also we need to looking for short because we are in a very stronger supply and demand. Look at that. Shall we enter short now? Yes, if the market gave us here a smaller price action here, yes, we can enter short. Did you see any small price action here at this level where we are? No, there is nothing there. So we need to wait in more, or the Nasdaq 100 to come to break above here is going to continue upward. Till now, there is nothing here. I just show you. The only thing you got here, that level here, you connected by a line. That one here with that one here, you connected them. That's for the people they haven't entered. If it's breaking above here, you can enter long again. For the short, we don't got any price action here indicating the market is going to reverse, unless if in the coming hours or coming days to give us here a price action. And also we came to you every day, so if there is any price action, we're going to tell it to you. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go into see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here the Nasdaq 100, it gave us here a price action. I showed it to you in the last video. I told you we got here a up channel or up trend here. As you see it, we touch it 3 times here, here, and here. So the enter short now. If it came and breaking down here, I'm talking here about 30 minutes. If it came and breaking down here, yes, you can enter short. That's for the short. For the long, what shall you do? For the long, look with me what I'm going to do. You see that peak, that one? With that peak, that one, you connecting them by a line like that. Look with me how I'm going to do it. Like that. And down here, you came to that one, and you do it like that. You got here a very clear wage here in 30 minutes. If that one came down here and breaking down here, enter short. If that one came and breaking above here in that level here, enter long. Remember those things what I'm telling you. If it came and breaking above here, enter long. If it's breaking down here, enter short. Everything is too clear, guys. It's our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. Now it's showing it's going to the oversold area. Should you enter short now? No, my friend. Unless if it came and breaking for us that trend line me I just show you here. If that one came and breaking here, enter short. For the long, same thing I show you that one with that one. Connecting them. And if it's breaking above, enter long. That's it. That's the only thing you can do now. Everything is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the DXY or US dollar what it's doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in the DXY or US dollar in the 4 hours. Over here, I tell you before we got here a clear head and shoulder here. And I told you till now it hasn't breaking for us the neckline. So there is no entry shorts here in the DXY. And now here, I'm going to give you something else here. Look with me here down. If you came and you connecting those lines, that one here with that one here. You got a trend line here, and in the top you came, you connecting that 2 lines like that. That one here and that one here. What you got here? You got a very clear wage or triangle. The names doesn't matter. The most important to know how to spot them and to know how to trade them. If that one came breaking above here, enter long. If that one came breaking lower here, enter short. And me, I'm thinking the US dollar is going to fall down. Why? Because what's happening in the banking sector in USA. There are more banks having problems in USA, and the Fed, they said they are going to print about $300 billion. So that one, more problems coming to US banking, and more banks, they are going to fall down because people, they started taking off the money of them from bank. Because people, they are scared, and there is nothing will make them to stop taking off the money of them from banking. That's another story and another problem. So that's why me, I'm thinking the US dollar is going to fall down more because the printing system they have, they need to change it. It can be like that. So here in the US dollar, just show you all those scenarios you can do. If it came up breaking down here, it's going to fall down. If it's breaking above here, it's going to go long. So you go to your chart and you draw it like that, and you wait in the break where it's going to happen, guys. Everything is too clear. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying here. Our indicator in the 4 hours, it's saying here. If you remember, watch me, I'll show you that one. I told you we have here a divergence like that. Look at it, it touches here again. Now it's showing it's going to fall down again. Told you inter long, I just show you the price action you got. You got that one here. If it came and breaking down here, inter short. For the long, same thing. If it came here and breaking above here, inter long. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the DXY or US dollar doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, we got a clear picture compared to the 4 hours. Here, look with me here, what you got here. You came to those peaks, those ones, and you do like that, a line like that. And here down, you came like that and you do it like that. You got here a very clear symmetric triangle here. That one is very easy. If it came the market and break above here, inter long. If the market came down here and breaking down, inter short. That's it. Very simple and easy. We don't want to go back to the past, but if it came here and breaking here, inter long. If it's breaking down here, inter short. That's it. Only thing here, you are here in a very stronger supply and demand zone. So you need to be focused about it. It's going to break here and to touch that supply and demand zone, then it go back up. You need to be careful about that one. It's need even to break here that supply and demand zone here down for you to enter short, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Here in 30 minutes, I think picture is very clear. So let's see our indicator what it's saying here in 30 minutes. Our indicator is telling us we are here at the oversold area level. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at that, very stronger supply and demand zone. Should we enter long? We need the price action to confirm that for us. The only price action we got here is that downtrend here. It's need to come to break above here for us to enter long. For the short is the same thing. It's need to come to break down here for us to enter shorts. Remember those things what I'm telling you. And you saw me how I draw it. I draw it as a supply and demand zone, not just a line. That one here is very important. It's need to break for you that supply and demand zone. Here we have that one for you to know the DXY is going to fall down more, guys. Everything is too clear. Now we're going to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Here in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes. Yesterday, what else we said here? In the last video, you can find it. We said we got here a very clear flag. The last video in 30 minutes, we said here we got a very clear flag. Look at it. It's getting broke now here. Look. Now, what should you do here now? Because it's breaking here. Now, you need to start thinking of to take some of the profit. And here now, for the short, you can look with me. That one here and that one where we are. And you connecting them by a line like that. Like that. Very clear line here and very clear downtrend or uptrend. And you wait in that one. If it came up breaking down here, you can enter short, guys. For the long, I tell it to you yesterday. I've been telling you, I told you when our indicator enter to the oversold area, try to enter long. Now we are 28k, guys. We are in the record now. Here now, try to find here the peak. You wait in that candle here to peak, and you draw in here in the top line, and you wait it to get broken again for you to enter long. But for the people that been with me, also we enter long from down. Now we still waiting the Bitcoin to go more higher and higher, and also we still collecting the premium. If you just follow our analysis in the last video, and if you haven't entered in the last video, I told you we got here a very clear flag here. You saw it or no? You can go back and watch it in the last video. In 30 minutes, I told you if it's breaking here, enter long. Look where you are. And I told you something else here in 30 minutes. In the last video, I told you something else here. What did I told you? I came here and we do it like that. Yes or no? And we came here to that one and we do it like that. And I told you if it's breaking above here, enter long. If it's breaking down here, enter short. It's breaking above? Not yet. Above here, it's not yet. Look at it. Very clear there. It's not yet. Also, we're still in it. So for people that haven't entered, if it's breaking above here, you can enter long, guys. I think picture is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator what it's saying here in 30 minutes for the Bitcoin. So it's going to see it. Our indicator is saying also we enter here at the oversold area. So technically now you need to start looking to take some of the profit. The people, I'm talking here about the people they enter scalping about that flag here. Technically those ones, they need to start thinking of take some of the profit. People they haven't entered, look with me how I draw it. I came to that peak, that one here, and that one here. And you draw in an uptrend here like that. Very clear uptrend like that. And here you came to that peak, that one and that one. And you connecting them by a line like that. And you're going to get a very clear wage here. And you waiting. If it's getting broke above here, you can enter long again, guys. Everything is too clear. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.